We're at the blacksmith shop, and there's a privy nearby which has a big hornet's nest. We're going to see if we can remove it. Let's take a look.
Come out of there.
You're not happy. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, that did some harm.
You can hear them in there? They got the motors running?
Oh yeah.
Get it down?
Yeah, well, more or less. They're making a fuss over here.
Oh wow, look at all the ones still flying.
Yeah.
Wow.
Even more over here.
Anti-aircraft.
Absolutely.
Anti-aircraft.
They're not safe in this zone. These have kept the place mowed like a golf course. It's really beautiful. Wow.
Ate another one down there. So I picked a bunch this morning. I'm like, I'm going to get some of these. Look at our nice pumpkin, though, Herb.
Wow.
It's the only one.
Yeah, this is flax that they're going to use in the weaving area.
And actually, the flower bed over by our back a lot of these because they'd already bloomed. Really, probably I watered. I've had to.
Some of that stuff off of there. So you come right through the paint if I don't. It's a new saw blade bought with help from the Davis Family Foundation for the shingle mill.
Which is more fun, mowing or doing this?
I don't like painting, I never did.
So what we're doing right now is we just marked out the last little bit of the go-back trail by the Lombard Road. The idea is to have a little bit of a trail that extends out to the parking lot, and it goes back in, it hits continues on around, kind of paralleling the Lombard Road, and there's an offshoot that goes over towards the sled pavilion. And hopefully this fall the construction engineering technology students from the University of Maine will be out here building it.
We got it.